What's up, guys? Getting off work here. Independence Harley Davidson, Charlotte, North Carolina. Oh, look who it is. Look at this Tahitian teal Road Glide Special. Yeah, I bet you are too, huh? You're probably a little bit further along in the break-in period than me. I think I was at like 1,300 when I started, and now it's at 1,399, so almost 100. Yeah. Woo! It's nice out. So I've reached about 100 miles on my break-in period. And I gotta tell you guys something. It's like when I first got it, everything felt real stiff. You know, when you first ride it after the kit's installed, everything feels real stiff. It's a new engine. And yeah, as you break it in, it feels like a warm slice of butter melting over a pile of flapjacks. That's the best description I got for you, because it starts to just slowly turn into a beast as the miles go. Of course, you gotta baby it those first 50 miles and everything, but you start to notice the effects after the 50 miles, probably around 80 miles or something like that. I've got to keep the RPMs below 4,000 RPMs until I hit 500 miles. So once I hit 500 miles, this bike will be fully broken in and I'll be able to do whatever. But now it's about time to start auto-tuning it. So I'm off work tomorrow, and I might set up my auto-tuner on it, and we'll get some footage of that. But right now I'm just going to try to show you guys, you know, how it feels right now. There's a lot of traffic, so I can't really do much. But man, pretty much when I get close to like 3,500 RPMs, it just starts to feel smooth. It's just a smooth feeling. And there's just so much left in the throttle that I haven't even explored. I don't even need a jacket. I'm just chilling. So this whole 1250 kit thing, it was a journey, honestly, man. I thought about it beforehand, at least for a month, and I wasn't gonna do it for a while at least. And then December rolled around and Hammer was doing that holiday special, and I couldn't pass it up. And let me tell you, I'm glad that I didn't. There are a few hiccups, you know. When I first got the kit back, there's a little oil leak in the push rod area. And they hardly took care of me. Guys there, you know, we took it back, and they got me right. After about a week or so, they got me right. They said that it's gonna run really bad when I auto-tune it, but after I flash the tune to the bike, it'll run better. So I'm not looking forward to it not running good while I auto-tune it. It's gonna be a little bit scary. I've been looking into new seats too, because as many of you know, the stock seat on the Iron 883 is not the best. My butt's starting to hurt a little bit every now and then. So I'm looking at the step-up seats by Saddlemen. Oh, there's my old high school. Good times. Psych. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. And I'm at the 100 mile mark. And it's starting to feel good. It's starting to feel real good. Not like when I first got it, not at all. It's starting to feel different. So yeah, my next vlog will be the auto tuning process probably. Gonna do it probably 1 or 2 times. See how that feels. And go from there. So again guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for the comments, the positive feedback. I really appreciate it. And you know, I'm making these videos to inspire other people to get on bikes and ride. So until next time, you guys take it easy and peace.